this McCarthy Crystal Spray Wax for your car. Make sure you watch this entire video to answering everything you need to know about it, plus showing you guys what came in the package. Thank you so much to the brand for sending it to me so I can give you guys my completely honest thoughts. First off, with your purchase, you're going to get the bottle of the spray wax, which is going to be 100 milliliters. It's about 3 fluid ounces. It also came with this little nozzle piece, which of course you're going to take this top off. It's just kind of like a screw top, and replace it with this nozzle piece so that you can actually spray it onto your car. And then it came even with a cloth to wipe it onto your car, and there's a little loop here, so when you're done using it, you can hang it to dry. I absolutely love that. I find it so handy. And in terms of the spray, I'm super excited to use it because I've never actually wiped my car down with something like this. This is going to create a hydrophobic layer on my vehicle. So what it does is it basically allows the water to be off of the car paint. It also resists dirt, UV rays, and minor scratches. So aside from giving the car like a polish and a shine, it's actually going to repel water, which is absolutely amazing. I've actually known cars to do this, but I've never experienced it on my own because I've never applied something like this. And on top of that, if you have rain spots on your car, if it rains a lot where you are, and you find that you have a lot of water spots on your car, this is going to prevent that